All right, guys, happy Thursday. We're at it again in Columbia, Illinois. And actually, no, this may be Waterloo, Illinois. We're taking care of this today. Duct cleaning. They found me online, summer reviews, booked on the spot. Hey, let's go. Stay tuned. This is why you need to get your HVAC cleaned. Check it out. All right, guys. That's the original state, nice and clean, pristine. All right, guys, ready for this one? Let's check it out. Bam. All right, guys. We'll show you what we're doing. We got Bridget putting stuff back, so we're doing the HVAC cleaning. But this is just our minimum service. We're cleaning the ducts, then sanitizing it, doing the main trunk lines. So I did the vents in here. We already did the wall cavities, and then we all did the vents on the floor. And then we're gonna go downstairs and then do the main trunks and finish up the vents down there, and that'll be a wrap. Stay tuned. Hey, let's go. Also, for good measure, we always provide a brochure. So the brochure, kind of spells out what we do and why we do it, the importance of getting your HVAC cleaned, and then other services we offer. Dryer vent cleaning, of course, sanitizing, which we include that in our system, and then we also do a video look as well. But are you breathing dirty air in your home? If you are, give us a call. And of course, why you should get your HVAC cleaned. This is our vent, so give us a call, guys. Got you covered. Hey, let's go. Right there. Follow us on Facebook and find us on Google. And this way, the treats right clean and company. Read better air quality. Call AO Cleaning today. 𝐬𝐝𝐫𝐞𝐿.com 618-593-812. Get your HVAC back to neutral state and breathe better air. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We're getting ready to load up and sanitize. We already put an end cap on there, that you can expect. The brush piece did a good job. We got another end cap over here. And of course, one over here as well. And we already had access up to this one. So yeah, guys, another successful job. Stay tuned for the before and after. And always, thanks for watching. 𝐬𝐝𝐿clean.com.